Hello students, welcome back in our today's science class. And you all know that from yesterday onwards we have started our fifth chapter, that is heat. Okay, so before moving to our today's topics, let me remind you that your semesters are on the way. Please complete all your assignments, students, because it carries internal marks. Okay, you know that. Then go through all the tutorial videos, watch all the videos thoroughly, and start studying, start your preparation. Okay, so as we have started this fifth chapter, what we have learned yesterday, let's revise. Okay, so yesterday we have learned about latent heat. Okay, related to this we have seen one activity, okay, of ice cubes and beaker, burner, thermometer, like that. So here what observation we got, that the temperature of the mixture remains 0 degrees Celsius till ice melts completely. So the ice needs to melt completely. Okay, yes, if we continue heating, then what happened? Even after conversion of all the ice into the water, the temperature of water starts rising and it reaches to 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, then we have learned about what is melting point of ice. The constant temperature at which the ice gets converts into water, okay, is called as what? Melting point of ice. Okay, and then the heat energy absorbed at constant temperature during transformation of solid into liquid is called as latent heat of fusion. Okay, here we have seen the time versus temperature versus time graph. This is the temperature which is here on the y-axis, and here on the x-axis what is there? Time is plotted. Okay, so first there is no change, AB is constant, but after that what happened? There is sudden increased which is takes place, okay, over here. Okay, then the next is the specific latent heat of fusion. Student, don't confuse between the latent heat of fusion and specific latent heat of fusion. Specific latent heat of fusion में क्या होता है? Here you can see the unit mass, the term which is there. So the amount of heat energy absorbed at constant temperature by unit mass of a solid to convert into liquid phase is called the specific latent heat of fusion. Okay, what about boiling point? Boiling point मतलब क्या होता है? Okay, the constant temperature at which the liquid transform into gaseous state. Gaseous state which means what? A vapor state. जहाँ पे vapors आते हैं, vaporization. The process of vaporization takes place. So that is called as what? Boiling point of liquid. And here the heat energy absorbed at constant temperature during transformation of liquid into gas, which means what? As I have told, which means a vapor, that means vaporization. Then this is called as what? Latent heat of vaporization. Okay, and what about specific heat of vaporization? जब भी यूनिट मास आता है, बट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस टर्म कि यहाँ पे क्या है, गैशियस फेस है कि लिक्विड फेस है. गैशियस फेस होगा तो लेटेंट, स्पेसिफिक लेटेंट हीट ऑफ वेपराइजेशन, और यूनिट मास टर्म होगा तो. ओके, यस. सो द अमाउंट ऑफ हीट एनर्जी एब्जॉर्ब्ड एट कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर बाय यूनिट मास ऑफ अ लिक्विड टू कन्वर्ट इनटू गैशियस फेस. जब लिक्विड जो है वो गैशियस फेस में यूनिट मास के अकॉर्डिंग कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज स्पेसिफिक लेटेंट हीट ऑफ वेपराइजेशन. ओके, so students, till this we have learned yesterday. Okay, so now today we are going to see a very nice and very interesting topic, that is regulation. What is regulation? Okay, so students, you may have seen the preparation of an ice ball. ओके, समर के टाइम पे जब भी मेला वेला होता है सब, एट दैट टाइम व्हाट हैपेंस, गोला जो होता है वो सबका फेवरेट होता है, आई मीन आइस गोला. सो दैट इज हियर इन दैट, I hope whether you have seen this or not. So in preparation of that, what the seller does first, तो वो सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं, आइस को लेते हैं एंड देन ऑल द आइस क्यूब, आइस के जो स्लैब होते हैं उसको क्या करते हैं, वो अच्छी तरह से प्रेस करते हैं एंड वो क्रश्ड आइस जो है वो ऐड करते हैं, क्रश्ड आइस का एक गोला बनाते हैं, फिर उसको प्रेशर देते हैं बहुत सारा अराउंड द टिप ऑफ अ स्टिक। जो स्टिक जो है वो बीच में रहती है और उसके अराउंड वो गोला रहता है, लाइक दैट। नाउ इमेजिन आइस गोला, ओके, यू हैव टू इमेजिन दैट। सो आफ्टर गिविंग प्रेशर to the ice cubes, I mean ice slab, whatever that crushed ice is there, it gets attached to the stick, yes, but stick के साथ जो है वो आइस क्यूब अटैच्ड हो जाते हैं, बट वहाँ पे कोई भी ग्लू और कुछ हम ऐड नहीं करते। सो हाउ इट गेट्स अटैच्ड? ओके, देन दिस इज द क्वेश्चन। Okay, then the second example is if you have to take the small pieces of ice, okay, and then you have to press against each other for a while। दो small ice के pieces लेके उसको एक दूसरे के साथ touch करके बहुत अच्छे से pressed करना है for a while, and stick, you will observe that they will stick to each other। देन आपको क्या दिखाई देगा? दैट दे विल स्टिक टू ईच अदर, ओके, दे आर स्टिकिंग ईच अदर। सो व्हाई डज दिस हैपन्स? So all this thing has a scientific reason, that is regulation. This happens because of regulation. So what is that? Let's see. Here in your textbook one activity is given. This is a very nice activity. Let's see what is that. So here put a slab of ice on a stand, okay, put a slab of ice on a stand. So this is a slab of ice, okay, hang two equal weights to the two ends of the metal wire on the slab. So this is a metal wire and यहाँ पे क्या attached किया है? Two equal weights, okay. So now what did you observe? What did you observe? So after doing this experiment, what do you observe? Let's imagine that we are done with this experiment. Now we are moving towards observation. Okay, so here we have observed that it is observed that the wire gradually penetrates the ice slab. Okay, wire जो है वो ice slab को penetrate कर रही है, खींच रही है. After some time, wire comes out of the lower surface of the ice slab. After some time क्या होता है? जो वायर होती है वो अलग हो जाती है ice slab से, because of weights are attached over here. Okay, वायर जो है वो नीचे आती है, but then only ice slab जो है वो break नहीं होता. Okay, however the ice slab does not break. As I have told that the ice slab does not break. The phenomenon in which the ice gets converted to liquid due to applied pressure and then reconvert to ice once the pressure is removed is called as regulation. क्या होता है यहाँ पे? आइस जो है वो कन्वर्ट हो जाता है किसमें? लिक्विड में, जब हम कोई प्रेशर उसको अप्लाई करते हैं, एंड आफ्टर दैट देन it gets reconvert to ice once the pressure is removed. So when the pressure is removed, what happen? It gets reconnected to the reconverted into the ice. So this process is called as regulation. Okay, the process of conversion of ice into liquid, and then what happens? Yes, and then reconversion of ice once when the pressure is removed. Okay, so this is a regulation process. Now the melting point of ice becomes lower than 0 degree due to pressure. जो melting point होता है ice का, it becomes lower than 0 degree Celsius due to applying pressure. This means that at 0 degree Celsius the ice gets converted into water. Yes. As soon as the pressure is removed, the melting point is restored to 0 degree Celsius and water gets converted into ice again. Okay, so this is a process of regulation where the conversion of ice into water, water into ice takes place. Okay, then the next very interesting topic is anomalous behavior of water. Student, what do you understand by the term that is anomalous? Anomalous, which means a strange, something which is very different. Okay, a strange behavior, a different behavior. Let's imagine here we are going to take one example of your classroom. Okay, so in your classroom you all are good student which are you all do your assignments or your study regularly, but एक जो student होता है वो he is not paying attention. Okay, he is not studying like that, so he is very irrespective about his studies and all. So that particular student will shows a strange behavior, the behavior which is different than other good students. So that is called as what? Anomalous behavior of that boy, which means something different which he has, which that other good boy doesn't has. So like that, the anomalous behavior of water also have some kind of strange behavior, some kind of different behavior other than other states. Okay, so what is that? That we are going to study now, and that is called as what? Anomalous behavior of water. Okay, so let's see. In general, when a liquid is heated up to a certain temperature, it expand. In general, जब liquid जो है वो उसको heat देते हैं, वो क्या करता है? Expand हो जाता है, which means what? It gets its volume gets increases. Okay, and when cooled, it gets contracts. और जब उसको कूलिंग करते हैं तब क्या होता है? उसका वॉल्यूम डिक्रीज हो जाता है एंड इट गेट्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स. ओके, वाटर हावेवर शोज अ स्पेशल एंड एक्सेप्शनल बिहेवियर. तो वाटर के साइड पे ये अलग है. इफ वी हीट वाटर फ्रॉम 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस अप टू 4 डिग्री सेल्सियस, इट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स इंस्टेड ऑफ एक्सपांडिंग. तो जब हम वाटर को हीट देते हैं अप टू 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस टू 4 डिग्री सेल्सियस, व्हाट हैपन? वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स हो जाता है इंस्टेड ऑफ एक्सपांडिंग. उसको तो एक्सपांड होना चाहिए बट इट गेट्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स. ओके, so at 4 degree Celsius its volume is minimum. Okay, at 4 degree Celsius here you can see its volume is minimum. Due to what? Due to contraction. If the water is heated further, it expands and its volume gets increases. Okay, so the behavior of water between its temperature from 0 degree Celsius to 4 degree Celsius is called as anomalous behavior of water. So ये जो water का different kind of behavior है from 0 degree Celsius to the 4 degree Celsius is called as what? Anomalous behavior of water. If the water is heated from 0 degree Celsius and its volume is plotted as a function of temperature, we get a graph like this. Here this is the temperature and here the specific volume. Okay, at 4 degree Celsius the volume of water is minimum. Yes, here you can see the volume of water is minimum. It means that the density of water is maximum at 4 degree Celsius. How this is possible? Student, you all know that the formula density is equal to mass upon volume. So density and volume जो है वो interconnected to each other. Yes, when density increase हो जाती है तब volume decrease हो जाता है, and when volume decrease हो जाता है तब density increase हो जाती है. So यहाँ पे volume जो है वो decrease हो रहा है, which means it is minimum, and then what happened? Density जो है वो क्या होगी? Decreased हो जाएगी. Okay, वॉल्यूम जो है वो मिनिमम है तो डेंसिटी क्या हो जाएगी? मैक्सिमम हो जाएगी. वॉल्यूम मिनिमम विच मीन्स कम है तो डेंसिटी ज़्यादा हो जाएगी. यस, देन the study of anomalous behavior of water using Hope's apparatus. So now we are going to study this behavior of water using this apparatus. The anomalous behavior of water can be studied using Hope's apparatus. In Hope's apparatus, what happened? A flat bowl is attached to a cylindrical container. So this is a flat bowl which is attached to what? A cylindrical container. This is a cylindrical container. Okay. There is a provision to attach thermometers above to measure temperature T2. Okay, यहाँ पे एक temperature T2 measure करने के लिए क्या रखा है? Thermometer. And below to measure the temperature T1. Okay, the flat bowl on the cylindrical container. Yes, water is filled in the cylindrical container. यहाँ पे सब पूरा water है and a mixture of ice and salt, freezing mixture, is put in the flat bowl. So the freezing mixture is over here. Okay, Now, during the study of anomalous behavior of water using Hope's apparatus, temperature T1 and T2 are recorded after every second. So, after every second, what happened? Temperature T1 and T2 are recorded. The temperature are plotted on the y-axis. Here is a temperature and here is a time which is plotted over here on the x-axis. The graph shows that initially both the temperature T1 and T2 are identical. Yes, here you can see both are identical to each other. As the time passes, T1 of water in the lower part of the cylinder decreases fast. Okay, T1 जो है वो बहुत जल्दी decrease हो जाता है and T2 of the upper part of cylinder decreases slowly and T2 जो है वो बहुत slowly decrease हो जाता है. Yes. Then once the temperature T1 of the lower part reaches to 4 degree Celsius, T1 जब 4 degree Celsius पे reach हो जाता है, it remains almost stable at that temperature. वो यहाँ पे stable हो गया है, yes, वो stable हो जाता है and T2 decreases slowly to 4 degree Celsius. T2 को जो है वो थोड़ा time लगता है 4 degree Celsius तक आने के लिए. Okay, since T2 starts changing rapidly, it records 0 degree Celsius first. T2 जो है उसका चेंजेस रैपिडली हो जाता है, सो इट रिकॉर्ड्स 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस फर्स्ट. वो सबसे पहले 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक आ जाता है एंड आफ्टर दैट द लोअर थर्मोमीटर T1 रिकॉर्ड्स 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ओके, द T2 स्टार्ट्स चेंजिंग रैपिडली, इट रिकॉर्ड्स 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस फर्स्ट. हियर यू कैन सी T2 जो है वो सबसे पहले नीचे आ जाता है एंड देन T1 जो है उसको थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है बिकॉज इट गेट्स slowly decreased. The point of intersection of the two curves shows the temperature of maximum density. ये जो point of intersection है where T1 and T2 meets. Okay, so this is called as what? Which shows the temperature of maximum density. This point shows the temperature of maximum density. Okay. Initially, the temperature of water in the middle of the cylinder lowers due to the freezing mixture of outer bowl. So initially, here you can see initially the temperature of the water in the middle of the cylinder. ये जो middle of the cylinder है उसमें middle of the cylinder gets lower due to freezing mixture of outer bowl. Outer bowl में क्या है? Freezing mixture है. So because of that what happens? The temperature of water in the middle of the cylinder gets lower. Okay, since the temperature of water decreases there, its volume gets increases. तो यहाँ पे water का temperature decrease होता है तो volume क्या हो जाता है? Increase. Because I have told you density is equal to what? Mass upon volume. Okay, so volume जो है वो decrease हो जाएगा, which means what? The temperature of water वॉल्यूम डिक्रीज हो जाएगा तो डेंसिटी ऑब्वियसली इंक्रीज हो जाएगी. येस, द वाटर विथ हायर डेंसिटी मूव्स डाउनवर्ड. वाटर विथ हायर डेंसिटी जो है वो ऐसे डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में मूव हो जाती है. इट विल मूव इन डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन. ओके, एंड देयरफॉर द लोअर थर्मोमीटर ये जो नीचे वाला थर्मोमीटर है T1 shows rapid fall in the temperature and this continues till the temperature of water becomes equal to the 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, this will continue till the temperature of water becomes equal to 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, yes, when the temperature of water starts decreasing below 4 degrees Celsius, जब water का temperature है वो below 4 degrees Celsius start हो जाता है decrease होना. Okay, its volume gets increases and density gets decreases. उसका volume क्या है? वो increase उसका volume जो है वो increase हो जाता है and density gets decreases. It therefore moves in the upward direction. So that's why क्या होता है? वो upward direction में move हो जाता है. Okay, the temperature of water in upper part, that is T2, the temperature of water in upper part T2 decreases rapidly to the 0 degree Celsius. Okay, so the temperature of water in the upper part decreases rapidly, it gets decreases rapidly to the 0 degree Celsius. Here you can see So we are here, right? The temperature of water in upper part, that is T2, decreases rapidly to the 0 degree Celsius. ये बहुत जल्दी जो है वो 0 degree Celsius तक पहुंच जाता है. And the temperature of water in lower part, that is T1, remains at 4 degree Celsius for some time. T1 जो है वो 4 degree Celsius तक कुछ टाइम के लिए रहता है. And then it decreases slowly to the 0 degree Celsius. So सबसे पहले T2 पहुंच जाता है and then T1 will reach to the 0 degree Celsius. Okay? Yes. So students, this is all about your today's class. That is, we have learnt about anomalous behavior of water. Okay? And then we have learned about what? Regulation. So basically this diagram is about this Hope's apparatus, which I have explained to you over here. Okay, which I have explained to you over here. So go through the content and then do your assignments regularly. Okay, thank you students.